guys, I'm back and I'm going to give you guys a new updated curly hair routine. I haven't made videos in a while, but I'm back. Been formulating products and stuff. As you guys can see, my hair is a little longer than what it used to be, thank God. And my hair is wet right now. It's soaking wet. You can actually see the water. So what I'm going to do is I have made this special cream. It's called a volume cream, okay? And what it's going to do is going to give my hair volume, and then I'm going to put it on first, and then I'm going to put my Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel on second. So what I like to do is I like to grab this much, and I like to rake it in on one side of my hair. And it feels good, has pretty good slip. And what I do is I clump my curls like this. A little bit more cream. And I'm going to rake it in this side. Make sure to saturate all of your hair. And this is a cream that I have made and it's still in testing. So you can use your favorite cream, but this is how I like to create clumped curls. So I'm going to rake it in the back. Make sure it's all evenly distributed. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel and just apply it in my hair just like how I applied the cream. This is for a shine and a little bit of hold. And the way to tell if our Bounce Curl Gel mixes with your cream is when you put it on your hair, it should make your hair feel smooth. It should go in fine. It should not get a little tangled. If it gets tangled, that means our gel does not mix with that hair cream. And we have a bunch of lists on our website under the product page of the gel. And the list has a bunch of customers and they tell you guys what their favorite combos are with our gel. We are going to be coming out with more gels that will mix a lot better with other products. So stay tuned for that. We're going to revamp our whole line. It's going to be really exciting. Can't wait. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is this is the new part that I've been doing, and it helps create my curls into a more spiral curl, and it's a lot cuter, I think. So I'm going to flip over and I'm going to brush my curls. This way all the frizz gets clumped in a curl and you won't have as much frizz. And then I like to kind of shake up my hair. So this is how you clump them. The curl cream that I have in my hair is a clumping one. And if your cream does not clump your curls like this, just add more water to your hair. That way you'll get these thick strands like this. So it's really important to get these thick, nice strands like this. And then you scrunch. Do you hear that? That's how I need you guys to do it. It's really wet. Wet. I'll take a microfiber towel and I will scrunch. Now you see my perfect, nice, thick, chunky curls. I will take a little bit of bounce, just a very tiny bit, and scrunch it on my ends because the towel kind of removes a little bit of product, and I don't want that to happen. So now what I'll do, because I have a cream in my hair now, it's gonna take a long time to dry my hair. So what I'll do is I will diffuse my curls for a little bit, just like this. I don't have it on, just showing you guys an example. And try not to disturb your curls. So I'll do this for about 5 minutes, and then my hair still is wet, and then what I'll do is I will go ahead and go do my makeup. And then I'll come back and my hair will be a little bit dry, or I can continue diffusing until it ends, until it's dry, but it's a long time, so I'm gonna be right back and I'll show you guys. Guys, I'm all done diffusing. It really took me a while to diffuse this, but you guys can see I have a little bit more volume. I feel like it's still wet a little bit, but you see how my hair looks thick, nice and voluptuous? This is gonna be our volume defining cream. More like a volume cream. My hair is really, really soft, feels really good. I love it. And as the time goes, my hair is probably gonna get bigger and bigger. So the problem is I've been finding volume creams, and they've been giving me a lot of frizz. So I was like, you know what, I have to create one myself. So I created this one, and it does have conditioning ingredients in it, so it's not gonna make your hair all dry and hard or anything like that. As you can see, there is mango butter in here too, and for the shine. So I don't want to leave you guys with dull, dry looking hair. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I have to make more videos for you guys weekly. Mwah.